Hello everybody, I am your new physics teacher Ajay. Today we are starting our new chapter, which is chapter number 1. Its name is physical quantities and measurement. So let's start. So basically, what are physical quantities? Physical quantities are those quantities by which different concepts can be solved and understand. So and these physical quantities are measured with respect to their SI units. So let us look into it. We are familiar with the importance of measurement in our day-to-day life, as you have studied in our previous classes about physical quantities like mass. Mass is a physical quantity. Its unit is kilogram. Length, its unit is meter. Time, its unit is second. Temperature, its unit is Kelvin, and their measurement. In this chapter we will learn about the measurement of physical quantities like area, whose unit is meter square; volume, whose unit is meter cube or cubic meter; density, whose unit is kilogram per meter cube; and fourth is speed. Its SI unit is meter per second. So first of all, let us discuss the first topic in this chapter, which is volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by substance. Occupied by substance. A football. Let us take an example of football and a rubber ball. A football occupies. A football occupies A football occupies a football occupies a football occupies more volume as compared with the rubber ball, even if rubber ball has more weight or it's heavy as compared with the football, because it is because of football has greater volume as compared with the rubber ball, because football is a hollow shape in which air is filled up. This football is carrying some air volume, while the dense ball, it doesn't have any hollow space, but still it is a dense ball which is heavy as compared to football. So now let us take second example. In order to fit some articles in big cartoon, the quantity which is compared is volume. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. When the volume of an object is low, it is convenient to express its volume in sub multiples of meter cube, such as decimeter is equals to 10 raised to minus 1 meter cube, centimeter cube is equals to 10 raised to minus 2 meter cube. Now this deci, centi, these are the prefixes which are used in science. These are the prefixes used for different power of 10. Power of 1, power of 10 raised to minus 1 is deci and its symbol is d. Power of 10 raised to minus 2 is centi, its symbol is c. 10 raised to minus 3, uh, its its prefix is milli, that is m, small m. 10 raised to minus 6 is micro. 10 raised to minus 9 is nano. 10 raised to 12 is pico. 10 raised to 15 minus 15 is femto. 10 raised to minus 18 is atto. 10 raised to 1 is deca. 10 raised to 2 is hecto. 10 raised to 3 is kilo. 10 raised to 6 is mega. The volume of liquid is usually measured in liter, that is capital L, and also in milliliters, that is ml. Let us look into the relation between the units given below. 10 raised to 1 meter cube is equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube. How it happens? We split these 1 meter cube into 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Similarly, 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter, sorry, it's 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, which is equals to 10 lakh centimeter cube. Now similarly, 1 ml is equals to 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml, which is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Hence 1 meter cube is also equals to 1000 liters. Now look on to the next one, that is matter. What is matter? in our book, the matter is defined as it that matter is in this universe. For example, what is matter? Matter is some object which occupies space and has some mass, is known as matter, is called as matter. Matter is subdivided into three physical state of matter is solid, liquid and gas. Mass uh, the amount of matter contained in body is called mass. Mass doesn't change with different places. For example, mass of body is 50 kg on earth. It is same at moon also. While the weight, if we talk about weight is changes with the rate of gravitational pull on different planets. Now take the next topic, that is measurement of volume of liquids. uh, Let us look, before discussing this topic, let us know about the properties of liquids do not have fixed shape. They take the space shape of the container in which they are kept. Note, the maximum volume of liquid that container can hold is known as capacity. Capacity has the same unit as volume, that is liter. Now, measurement of liquids. Volume of a liquid is usually measured in measuring cans of different shapes and sizes. These measuring cans have fixed volume. First, we have seen these cans as conical shaped at petrol pumps. At petrol pumps, for measuring for measuring for measuring petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, etc. Similarly, when we go at the dairy, we the uh, milkman use these cylindrical cans for measuring milk at milk dairy. And similarly, the if we talk about the at the laboratory part, we are using pipette and burette. If I talk about pipette is filled by sucking the liquid into it. It is used to take a fixed amount of liquid. And if I talk about burette is a tube similar to a measuring jar with a pitch cock provided at the bottom. It is used to take a desired amount of liquid. Measuring flask has one mark etched at the neck, and the liquid of the volume of its capacity can always be measured. Activity of meniscus. And while we keep while we look on first conical jar, the surface is concave shape